Hi, this is Todd with the ALS 411 on trimming nails.
We'll get right into it with my most experienced aide cleaning under my nails. You wouldn't think a paralyzed guy would have dirty fingernails, and I don't, but I do have skin that gets pushed out as my nails grow. That's uncomfortable. My aide is using an orange stick. You can get orange sticks made from wood or metal, or you could use the tip of that file that folds out from most nail clippers. It can be a little uncomfortable to have my nails cleaned. It feels better when she scrapes the bottom of the nail and not push in too deep. One side of the orange stick is used to clean under the nails, and the other side is used to push back cuticles, if you care about that, which I don't. I have my nails trimmed to prevent scratching myself when I'm being turned at night or being repositioned. I don't trust a lot of people to trim my nails. I have my favorite, and one of the reasons she is so competent is that she has the right tool. She uses Plyer-type toenail clippers. That gives her better control. She can see my nail as she is cutting it. The traditional nail clippers are really meant for a person to use on themselves. When I have other caregivers clip my nails, they generally stand off to the side and hold my hand out in front of them. Although my most experienced aide can use the traditional nail clippers from in front of me just fine, she's one of the few that I trust. I've had my skin pinched before and it hurts a lot. When she clips my nails, she pulls back on the skin underneath the nail. And then she files off the sharp edges. My most experienced aide is not always available, so I purchased a nail drill kit. This model is reversible. It can spin either clockwise or counterclockwise, and you can vary the speed. Okay. We use the coarse tip to file down the nails, and it's really quick and it doesn't hurt my skin at all. The coarse tip leaves the nails jagged, and that can be filed down manually pretty quickly. Or if you want to use the grinder, you can replace the coarse tip with a smoother stone. The finished result is about the same either way, but I prefer the grinder when I don't have somebody experienced clipping my nails.
Thanks for watching. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We don't put out content often, but you don't want to miss it when we do. And follow our blog at nevastory.com.